And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to split objects in Inkscape. Quite simple with the tools that we've got in the path menu. Let us create a rectangle. The color doesn't really matter. Let me just use this one. I'll draw a line with 2 clicks using the Bezier tool. And now I make sure that I've got both selected, so the line and the rectangle, and on the path I can just use division. And exactly where the line was, we've got the 2 objects split. So what if you want to draw the line or split the object directly at the center? Just recreate what we had, so a rectangle and a line, then select the both, go to Object, Align and Distribute, and I will center that. I've got last selected, in the drop down selected. That should work, and I'll align it to the center with the both middle options. And you can see it's placed in the center, and again path, division, and now we've got 2 shapes that are exactly the same. So let me rotate that with the cursor tool. I'll just click twice on it, and then I can rotate it, and you can see it's the same object. Let me show you how to create a quarter circle. We can use the same method. So I'll drag the circle holding Control to have a perfect circle. And now I'll create the first line. So a vertical one in this case, I'll align it to the center, and then I go Loop Path and Division. Always make sure that both objects are selected. So now I'll have to create a horizontal line. It's selected, and I shift click on one of the half circles, use the Align and Distribute menu again, and then Path Division. And this is how you can split objects in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.